Hey, I'm Tim N7KOM up here on Trout Creek Butte with Chris W7MTB and Lance and River, the Soda Dogs. So it is June 8th, the ARRL VHF contest. Here's the station. So we got our 706 Goal Zero battery, and that is going over to 3-element Aero Yagi. And we will be doing some SSB and CW on 2 meters pointed to the valley, hopefully get some people in the Portland area. And just a few minutes to go here until we get started. But I've never made a contact on a 2 meter single sideband or CW. So really the goal today, regardless of the contest, is to just get those contacts in the log. Should be a lot of fun. N7KOM. CQ VHF Contest and CQ Summits on the Air. CQ, November 7, Kilo Oscar Mike, N7KOM, CQ.
Bravo, Kilo 7, Juliet, India, Oscar. The name is Wade, Delta, Echo.
All right, it was a little bit of a bust on 2 meter sideband and CW. Didn't get any contacts there, unfortunately, but we did work some FM stations on 2 meters, so that was a lot of fun getting the locals. And then I've been working mostly on the MTR 3B with this setup here. Been putting this in the clipboard, and then we've got the MTR 3B, and this is a trapped end-fed half wave going out in kind of an inverted V. Here, let me show you. So we're going up into the tree on the mast here, just leaning against the branch, following this red wire all the way down over to this branch and just hanging in space like there. And here is one of the traps. Look at that little trap. Yeah, so got quite a few contacts on HF doing 20 meters, 30 meters, and 40 meters. Lots of S2S. I will say one downside about using the MTR 3B is I missed out on a lot of sideband summit to summits, but I didn't have the KX2 ready to go today, so oh well, missed out on the sideband, but still was a lot of fun to work CW up here. I think we're starting to get hungry. We might head into Sisters, get some lunch, though it is the Sisters Rodeo this weekend, and it's gonna be crowded in there. Ugh. All right, I'm Tim N7KOM. Thanks for coming along up to Trout Lake Butte. I'll catch you next time. 7-3.